Before the end of this video, you'll learn why I'm going to be channeling my inner Mr. Beast. And no, this is not clickbait. You'll see why. Anyway, if you've ever wondered whether posting on TikTok a bunch of times in one day, like more than once or twice a day, is worth it, because TikTok is increasingly becoming a great place to get business conversions of all types, more followers, more email opt-ins, and oh yes, more sales, but you were wondering if it would be a waste of your time to do so or not, well, this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and today I'm going to share with you an experiment I did where I posted 10 TikTok videos in a day, and this happened. What's this? I'll spill the beans in a moment and let you know whether posting more than, say, once a day is worth it. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you could do more business. Okay, so is posting 10 times a day a big deal? The answer is it depends. If you're used to creating content in the app, the TikTok editor, well, then, it is not that hard to crank a video out. Highly produced videos, those that are created outside of the TikTok editor, well, those do not tend to perform well in and around the snapshot of time when this video is being shot anyway. Things evolve on every platform. On YouTube, nearly anything was okay in terms of quality in the very beginning, and now, well, it's different. But once you get used to creating a TikTok video in-app or inside the app itself using only its stickers, sounds, music, or special effects, that sort of stuff, you'll find that it's super easy to do so, and videos that are way under 60 seconds tend to perform very well right now. So you do not necessarily have to create big, long videos either. So yes, it's easy once you've got the hang of things to put out 10 TikTok videos a day. The average TikTok creator puts out 1 to 3 a day. That's what I would recommend that you do right now, but the biggest TikTok stars as of right now, well, they put out 10 TikTok videos per day, pretty much every single day. But should you do it? Well, let's answer the question, is posting 10 times in a day worth it? Well, I planned everything out in advance, so this way I could knock them out, given my schedule at the time, all at once. Now, you can save your work to your camera roll if you need to. So if you ever say to yourself, well, I want to batch create content, but only put out 1 a day for now, you can do that if you weren't sure. Anyway, I created 10 TikTok videos, largely one right after the other. Did not save anything to my camera roll, and again, did not space those videos out. I'm experimenting here. I've never done 10 TikTok videos in a day. This is a dummy account that I started. Did a couple of demo videos for my students at the time, and then I left the account to die for a long time. I even did a video about it and whether it hurts me or not, called I Started a TikTok Account and Quit It. Here's why. So that's a video worth checking out after this one. Anyway, I posted the videos, all 10 of them back to back, pretty much. Waited 24 hours, and here's what happened. I gained 4 followers. I might be gaining a follower a day otherwise, but I gained 4 of them, and each video averaged a couple hundred views a piece. Sure, my overall views on that dummy account greatly increased for the day, as you might imagine. So do I think it was worth it for me to do? Sure. Am I totally creating content on TikTok like I'm a well-oiled machine after this experience? Absolutely. Do I think I should have spread out my TikTok videos more over the course of the day? Yep. In fact, I'm gonna put out a video entitled, Do TikTok Posting Times Matter? And I'll discuss that topic more there because there's a lot to think about. And here's something else. I'm going to put out a ton of TikTok videos in a single day, and I'm going to post a follow-up video about that experience. Like, I'm going to go team extreme and share with you what happened when I do that. Like, it's a challenge. Like, it's all Mr. Beast style in terms of scope. And then I'll share with you those results too. Is going all crazy extreme worth it on TikTok? I don't know as I sit here right now. We'll find out together though, so make sure you subscribe. I'll tell you what, the biggest superstars on TikTok are posting way more than 10 times a day. Some of them have been or are still posting 30 times or more a day. So if I'm going to do something off the charts on TikTok like Mr. Beast would, it shouldn't be posting a TikTok video 10 times a day, whether it's spread out or not over the course of a day. It shouldn't be posting 30 TikTok videos in one day. I'm thinking it's going to be a jaw-dropping number. I'm going to really push the envelope enough to make Jimmy Donaldson, that's Mr. Beast, proud. You'll see. The conclusion? I'm going to be realistic here. Most of my students are busy adults and they have demanding lives, both personally and professionally. After 8 years of coaching, I have many students who are six-figure, multiple six-figure, and yes, even seven-figure business successes. Along the way, they get team members who help them create content, edit content, publish content, all of those things. And yes, folks like that can go hardcore as much as they like when it comes to organic content marketing. But what about my beginners and solopreneurs out there? Or my intermediate level successes who have a small team but can't be, shall we say, team extreme yet? I would definitely say you must, however you manage, put out a TikTok video a day. The algorithms on that platform do like consistency. I can't lie to you about that. But one a day is like nothing once you're up and running and you're used to your options when you're creating content. If you can go to 2 to 3 times a day, that can help you to be competitive, sure. But more than that, if you can't do it, don't sweat it. At least that's what I'm saying for now. I'll definitely post follow-up videos as I gather more data and or things algorithmically change on the TikTok platform. So now I want to hear from you. How many times a day currently are you posting on the TikTok platform? Well, go ahead. Comment below. I do read your comments and I want to encourage you to. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have the results that I received in connection with a test where I posted TikTok videos in a day. Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies too.